Pictured Rocks National Lakeshore, a complete visitor's guide. Pictured Rocks National Lakeshore is one of the most beautiful natural destinations in the Great Lakes region. Located along the southern shore of Lake Superior in Michigan's Upper Peninsula, the park stretches for approximately 42 miles between the communities of Munising and Grand Marais. Established as the nation's first national lakeshore in 1966, Pictured Rocks protects more than 70,000 acres of forests, cliffs, beaches, rivers, waterfalls, and inland lakes. Every year, hundreds of thousands of visitors come to experience scenery that is unlike anywhere else in the Midwest. The park is perhaps best known for its towering sandstone cliffs. In some locations, these cliffs rise nearly 200 feet directly above the waters of Lake Superior. The dramatic coastline has been shaped by millions of years of erosion from wind, waves, ice, and changing water levels. The colorful appearance of the cliffs is what gives the park its name. Despite what many people assume, the colors are not painted onto the rock itself. Instead, groundwater slowly seeps through the sandstone. As the water travels, it dissolves naturally occurring minerals from the surrounding rock. When the water reaches the cliff face and evaporates, those minerals remain behind. Iron creates shades of red and orange. Copper produces blue and green colors. Manganese leaves black streaks. Other minerals contribute whites, yellows, and browns. The result is a constantly changing work of natural art. After heavy rainfall, the colors often become even more vibrant as fresh mineral deposits are carried across the cliff faces. One of the park's most recognizable landmarks is Miner's Castle. The sandstone formation has become one of the defining images of Michigan's Upper Peninsula. A short paved trail leads from the parking area to several scenic overlooks. These viewpoints provide spectacular views of the cliffs and the clear waters of Lake Superior. Many visitors stop here first because it is one of the easiest locations in the park to access. Just a short drive away is Miners Beach. This wide sandy beach stretches along the shoreline below the cliffs. Swimming is possible, although Lake Superior remains extremely cold even during the summer months. The beach is also a popular destination for photographers, beachcombers, and sunset watchers. Another famous landmark is Chapel Rock. A lone white pine tree grows from the top of the rock formation. Its roots stretch across open air to reach the mainland, creating one of the park's most photographed scenes. Unlike Miner's Castle, reaching Chapel Rock requires a hike. Most visitors complete the Chapel Loop Trail, which also includes Chapel Beach and Chapel Falls. The hike offers some of the best scenery in the National Lakeshore. Many people consider the boat cruises to be the highlight of their visit. Boat tours depart from Munising during the warmer months. The cruises travel beneath the cliffs, allowing passengers to see arches, caves, sea stacks, waterfalls, and colorful mineral stains from water level. Many of the most dramatic cliff formations cannot be fully appreciated from land. The perspective from the lake reveals just how massive these sandstone walls really are. For visitors looking for a more active experience, guided kayak tours are also available. Paddling along the shoreline allows visitors to explore sea caves, arches, and narrow passages that larger boats cannot enter. Weather conditions on Lake Superior can change quickly, however. Even experienced paddlers should pay close attention to forecasts before heading onto the lake. Hiking is one of the most popular activities within the park. More than 100 miles of trails cross the National Lakeshore. The North Country National Scenic Trail runs through much of the park and connects many of its major attractions. Short trails provide access to overlooks and waterfalls. Longer hikes reward visitors with quiet forests, secluded beaches, and panoramic views of Lake Superior. Several impressive waterfalls can be found throughout the area. Miners Falls is one of the most visited. A relatively easy walk leads to an observation platform overlooking the 50-foot waterfall. Munising Falls is another favorite. Located near the visitor center, it is accessible by a short paved trail. Spray Falls offers one of the most dramatic views in the park. The waterfall drops directly over the sandstone cliffs toward Lake Superior. It can be viewed from hiking trails or from boat tours on the lake. Just outside the National Lakeshore, Wagner Falls is another worthwhile stop. Although smaller than some of the others, it is easily accessible and surrounded by lush forest. Wildlife is abundant throughout Pictured Rocks. White-tailed deer are commonly seen along roads and hiking trails. Black bears also live within the park, although sightings are relatively uncommon. Visitors may also encounter foxes, beavers, river otters, porcupines, and a wide variety of birds. Bald eagles frequently nest along the shoreline. During migration seasons, birdwatchers travel from around the country to observe warblers, waterfowl, and raptors passing through the region. Lake Superior itself deserves respect. Although its clear blue water often resembles the Caribbean in photographs, appearances can be deceiving. Surface temperatures frequently remain below 60 degrees, even in midsummer. Cold water can quickly lead to hypothermia. Unexpected waves and strong currents can also create dangerous conditions. Visitors should always use caution when exploring near the shoreline. Camping is another popular way to experience the park. Several developed campgrounds are located within the National Lakeshore. Backcountry camping is also available for hikers willing to carry their gear into more remote areas. Reservations are recommended during the busy summer season. The gateway community of Munising serves as the primary entrance to the park. Visitors will find hotels, restaurants, grocery stores, gas stations, outfitters, and boat tour operators throughout town. Munising also makes an excellent base for exploring the surrounding Upper Peninsula. Within a few hours' drive, visitors can reach Tahquamenon Falls State Park, Sani National Wildlife Refuge, Marquette, Kichidikipi, and the Keweenaw Peninsula. Each season offers a unique experience. Summer is the busiest time of year. Warm weather makes hiking, kayaking, camping, and boat tours especially popular. Autumn transforms the forest into brilliant shades of red, orange, and yellow. Many photographers consider fall to be the most beautiful season to visit. Winter brings deep snow, frozen waterfalls, and opportunities for snowshoeing and cross-country skiing. When conditions are right, spectacular ice formations develop along the shoreline. Spring brings rushing waterfalls, fueled by snowmelt and fewer crowds before the busy summer season begins. Photographers will find endless opportunities throughout the park. Early morning often provides calm water and soft light. Sunrise can illuminate the cliffs while the surrounding forests remain in shadow. Evening light creates warm tones on the sandstone and often produces colorful sunsets over Lake Superior. Fog, rain, and changing weather conditions frequently create dramatic landscapes. No two visits to Pictured Rocks are exactly alike. If you're planning a visit, comfortable hiking shoes are highly recommended. Layered clothing is important because temperatures near Lake Superior can change quickly. Insect repellent is useful during late spring and summer. Bringing water and snacks is also a good idea, especially on longer hikes. Cell phone service can be unreliable in parts of the park, so downloading maps before arriving can make navigation much easier. Whether you spend a single afternoon exploring the overlooks or several days hiking, kayaking, and photographing the shoreline, Pictured Rocks National Lakeshore offers some of the most spectacular scenery in the Midwest. Its colorful cliffs, waterfalls, forests, and crystal clear waters continue to make it one of Michigan's most memorable destinations. For travelers looking to experience the natural beauty of the Great Lakes, Pictured Rocks is a destination that belongs on every bucket list.